Welcome back to Criminal Diesel Boys. Today, it's a little bit different change of pace. Excited to announce that we are going to our first baby shower. We're going to our first wedding. We are going to a gender reveal. Just kidding. We're going to another truck show, boys. As you can see, setup is ready to roll. It is 6:30 in the morning. Sixth show of the season. We're going to tear it up. Truck's ready. Med cab's ready to rip. You guys know the deal. Not really much else to say. Let's go. Brother, what are you doing? Waiting on me? Yeah. We're right on time, homie. Where are we going today? I haven't even told him where we're going. I told him we're going to a gender reveal.
Pocono Raceway, Burnout Wars, they got drifting.
You hear that, boys? Drifting and Burnout Wars. I think this is their first annual Enthusiast at Pocono. Excited?
I am. I'm car guy.
We're here, boys. 3 hours later, we are here. We have made it to the great Pocono. Show the sign, show the sign. This is sweet. We're gonna go tear it up. Dayton has been leading the way without any flaws. We made it here, perfect, good to go. Black truck, we still need to put the center caps on the black truck. Bree slept the whole way here.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. Dayton's out here bogging. Brother, that is not the pavement. What are you doing? Specialties do not belong on dirt. What are we doing? We're off-roading. Doing everything everybody says we can't do. Got some company up here. Go ahead and shut her down, Bree. It's absolutely destroying the audio. Is that yours or mine? We out here doing work. Get free rides to truck shows, you have to unload the trucks. That's the new rule.
There's no fucking rule.
Bree, don't swear on here. Well, hell, Dayton, I guess there's nothing else left to do other than to start the weekend, bud. Get this piece of shit off this trailer. I make everybody else do the work so I can just film. I use filming as an excuse so I don't have to do anything. I want to see this. Everybody on YouTube wants to know your method on getting this thing off here.
Out on the side, but I can't really do that right here with the trailer there. So.
Dude, you could definitely run in that Ford. Nobody would care.
I'm gonna see if I can do a 27-point turn.
You want to just pick up the front end like we did in Atlantic City?
We can try.
Ow, my foot.
Alright.
Oh, yeah. Give it a good old... Hey, your wheel bearings are good, by the way. Easy does it, Bree. 21 years later and the old girl's still kicking. Oh, she is not having a good morning. Just another day, Dan. Be careful with the old girl. Little first gens out here just ripping up the streets of Pennsylvania. Oh, look out. He's trying to stunt out of here now. Nice truck! sales truck here. 3CalSal's Mega Cab, 5th gen, absolutely gorgeous truck. It used to be Blake Fitzgerald. He lowered it, put it on 26 GTXs, and this thing is a dream truck. It's kind of the setup that I'm thinking about going with for the Mega Cab. All color match, all fresh paint. This thing is sweet. 26 has really got me thinking. Only they are on Venom Power, and I will be hauling, and I know Venom Power tires are not great for heavy loads, so not quite sure about that, but everything else on this truck is spicy. What do you guys think about the 26s on a good old Mega Cab? Definitely a risky choice hauling 30,000 pounds with, like, my tires are skinny, but these things are tiny. They look baller though. So I actually didn't notice this, but the whole suspension up underneath is like chrome plated. Not the whole suspension, but you get the idea. Most of like all the accents and stuff, but this thing is just so clean. It's one of the best color combinations that Ram offers, mixed with a little bit of polish. Chrome, of course. Dream truck right there. All right, so excuse the music in the background, but I'm not the biggest fan of Archon and KG1 and like lower level billet rims. This Hummer EV is sitting on a set of 18 wides, I believe. Tires are 35 by 60.5, 26. This thing sits extremely wide. I have no reason to assume that they're anything but 18 wide rims, which I don't think I've ever seen before, so that's definitely a first in my book. Look how wide these things are. That's my hand, and it's not even close, not even halfway. It's good, go ahead and lower it for us. On the ground pretty much. I haven't seen a Panam kit in person yet. Definitely weird with the square arches, but it's a car pretty well. Going for a ride in a drift car, bud.
I might.
Yeah, it gets hooked up. Look at these things. It's got
You got
something in the back.
you got this whole sound system in a drift car. You should see in the engine bay.
Pop the hood. Oh yeah. Whose car is this again?
Look at this.
It's a weird looking Cummins right there.
That is perfect.
Yeah, that's pretty sweet. What the hell was that?
I don't know.
Yep. Bring her around here, buddy. Oh, that's not good. I don't know much about drift cars, but I'm pretty sure that they're not supposed to be doing that.
Ain't got no gas in it.
All right, Dayton's getting his car built by these guys, so he got a free ride along. Ride along for 40 bucks. I love you guys, but not enough to spend $40 on a 2-minute ride along.
He said that one.
Alrighty, we are wrapping out the show. Seen burnouts, drift events, and that's pretty much it. No wars or anything that I know of. We got all the trucks sitting up here stout. We actually deleted Bree's truck from the lineup for this show just because her rims are getting polished. She's not quite in the game right now, but other than that, these trucks are killing it out here. Brother, don't scuff up my boggers like that.
You want to put these on your truck too?
I'll put those on my truck. That'd be a video and a half. All right, trucks are all loaded up, looking absolutely phenomenal. Probably the cleanest they've been in probably, I don't know, 3 months. It's all loaded up. How'd you make out?
Good.
How was the show?
Hit or miss. I don't know.
It was a good show, but nobody came.
It was quality show, good idea, good vendors, but no one showed up.
Yeah, bad execution. We were gonna stay like a night and get an Airbnb or something, but if there's barely anybody here today, so there's definitely not gonna be anybody here tomorrow. Decided to load everything up. Meg cab is looking perfect. I forget how good this truck actually looks all cleaned up because 99% of the time it's filthy because I daily drive it. When it does end up getting clean, it's like, it's a little spicy. All right, and about 2 hours later, 3 hours later, we are back exactly where we started at 6 o'clock this morning. Yeah, I'm not hating on the show. The show was very well organized, really good management there. A lot of the stuff to do, it just wasn't very big. Spend money on a hotel and just stay up there an extra night, waste all day tomorrow driving. We figured we'd just come home because we knew tomorrow was just gonna be not very good. So regardless, let's get back to the trucks here. Everything did good, great. We broke one strap, but I think that was my fault that I broke a strap because I tightened it too much. Yeah, we'll go with that. Anyway, I'll catch up with you guys in the morning. We're loading Bree's truck up right now. See you in the morning. Boys, we are back from Pocono Raceway. Crazy vehicles there. That was a good time, and also drifting. It had a lot of elements. It was pretty much a car show that hosted trucks rather than a truck show that hosted cars and drifting and stuff like that. So first gen, you guys will be seeing this truck soon. We're cutting this video right here, boys. Hope you liked it. We will be back next week. See ya. Start her up, Bree. Nice.